Root of a sentence. If you have learned Arabic, you would have heard that a word has three root letters, usually. Okay, now, but even if you look at a sentence in Arabic, it also contains roots, which means if there are no roots in a sentence, the sentence won't stand on its own. It's not a full sentence. So let's look at this verse from Surah Al-Insan, the chapter of Insan, chapter 76 from the Quran. Let's read it first. هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر. The literal meaning will be has there come upon man a period of time. Now let's say you don't know the meaning. Let's just look at the words themselves. Okay, you can see that there's a verb here which is signified by the tag V, which means verb. Okay, which is ata. Originally it's three root letters, ata ya, but the ya is not there because it's kind of a weak letter and replaced with an alif, crooked alif there. Okay, so ata means come, or actually came, but come is there because of an eventual translation. So you know that in the sentence there is a root. Now when you see that verb, always find its subject or the doer of the verb or the actor of the verb, which is called fa'il in Arabic. Okay, as you can see here, the fa'il comes after two words, ala al-insani. Okay, here is the fa'il, actually not. Now usually the fa'il or the verb or the doer comes right after the verb. Okay, but in this case it doesn't come before the verb, by the way. Okay, that one we will talk in the next video. Now as you can see here, the subject or the doer or the fa'il comes two words after it. So that is possible in Arabic. In English, the fa'il or the doer would come in front. Okay, so when you translate this, it becomes a period came or a period comes. That's why in English, when you translate the subject first or the doer first. Okay, so this is called in Arabic a descriptive statement. A descriptive statement. Okay, so you don't have such a sentence or such a structure in English, sorry, because in English you don't really start a descriptive sentence with a verb. Okay, so this is the power of Arabic. There are only two types of sentences, which is descriptive and another one which is a stronger sentence, which we will discuss in the next video. If you can't differentiate between these two sentences in Arabic, you will have difficulty learning Arabic because every time you see these two sentences, okay, there is a different dimension to that sentence. When you see a descriptive sentence, it means that sentence is just a description. But the other type of sentence, when you see the sentence, it means something else, totally something else, even though the words may be the same. Okay, which is when you switch this, like English, when you switch a period comes instead of comes a period, the meaning, the dimension of meaning totally changes. Let's end it with looking at the whole sentence. Okay, so حين من الدهر would be the full meaning of حين, so a period of time. أتى على الإنسان would be the full version of the verb صرف, so came upon man. So when you translate fully, it becomes a period of time came upon man. It is a question, rhetorical question, so the full meaning will be has there come a period of time, has there come upon man a period of time. But again, the grammatical translation would be, okay, without this question, would be a period of time came or comes upon men. Okay, once we go into more details of the next verses, you will see the beauty of how you can use grammar or information on grammar to understand translations of the Quran. Okay, so see you in the next video.